Greetings YouTube, Performance Reviews, where we give you reviews from the technician's point of view. And today I'm at VDTA 2020 at the Lindhaus booth, and there's a very special new product here because it is a cordless upright. These machines are lightweight, there's no cord, and they kind of started from the ground up and made all the things we loved about the traditional Lindhaus corded machines, but they made it cordless. So, you know, high filtration, good tools, versatility, and tough as nails construction. So they put all that together in a cordless vacuum package, and I think this is probably one of the best, if not the best, upright that's cordless that I've seen on the market right now. Now, this machine is a little funky in terms of its operation. There are a couple different models. The commercial machine we're not really going to talk about, but that's in a 14-inch variant, so that's kind of cool. They make that, but that's really not going to be the subject of the video. Subject of the video are going to be these two machines right here, and I'll probably do separate videos on both of these. But we have the Vowser and we have the Karisma. As you can see, there's a few little subtle differences between the units. These are both machines that lift away and become a stick vacuum as well for hard floor, but they will pick up on hard floor with the nozzle. Now, inside the unit, so let's go through what's on board this machine. And just like a lot of Lindhauses, there's an easy to remove cover. We have a Hepa high fill bag. You press this red lever that kicks the bag out. You can seal the bag up with this cardboard flap. It's a nice seal, and it's a top fill bag, so you're going to get this packed full, kind of like a pillow or something like that. Under the bag before the motor, there is a Hepa filter right here. It comes out like that, so it's eco-friendly as well, not having to change the plastic cage. It just slides right in there. And then down below here, we have the first motor. This has a suction motor, and you can see it is metal. Really cool. And it is a digital motor here. And Lindhaus is known for making their own motors. So definitely some very special magic right here happening in here. And the other thing that's happening here is when the exhaust of the motor is being blown up top here, and it's channeled into the circuit boards, which helps cool the circuit boards. So that's cool as well. To insert the bag, it's really just very simple. And if you don't do the bag right, of course, that's not going to shut. So real smart engineering from Lindhaus. And that just clips right there, just like so. Very easy. Now, this is going to also come with tool-wise. You're going to have a telescoping crevice tool. All right, so let's get to the rest of the features of the machine. When we go on the back side of the machine, we have a nice stretch hose on board. Stretch hose, it's not super long, but it stretches out to a little over 1 meter, so that's kind of cool. The hose also has, when you pull this ring out, quick disconnect, so if you need to clear something, you stuck something up accidentally, you can do that. So that's very cool about that. All right, going down here, you can see when you pull the hose out, you are interrupting the air circuit, which is a good thing, meaning you can just seek and look in there. And then getting to the meat and potatoes of this vacuum is the Lindhaus battery. So Lindhaus has already set up an ecosystem with this battery, so you can purchase extra batteries if you need, and it's only a 36-volt battery. So they're getting a lot of power out of that battery, and they've used this for a long time in other commercial platforms. Now this unit's only going to come with one of these batteries. You can always buy these batteries separately, one you need, and again, being in an existing ecosystem, that part of it's already been tested out. Now that just slides right in there. All right, as we get to the bottom of the nozzle, we get into some very familiar territory because Lindhaus has made this nozzle for quite some time. They've put it on numerous other vacuums. Really all they did was convert it to DC electricity. So that pops off, and now you're going to see really the heavy-duty nature of Lindhaus. And you saw that I just popped the brush roller out. Really simple. And what's cool about this brush roller, you can pop the bearing out separately, and then if you want, you can wash this, stick this in dishwasher, clean it, replace it, etc. And all these parts are separate and well produced. Also, Lindhaus puts a balancing mark in each brush roller, so that helps reduce vibration. All right, there comes with this little piece that you put in here, and this is for dry cleaning. You can work in dry carpet cleaning powder simply by putting that piece in. To give you an idea where we are in terms of serial number, you see the serial number is 000001, and that's kind of cool. So to put the brush roller back in, it's really simple. You just do that. Not much to it. The belt on this machine right here, this is a lifetime belt. Don't expect to need to change this. In all my years of repairing vacuums in the industry, I've never had to change one of these, and that's saying something. I've even had to change some belts that are lifetime. This one I've never had to change, so that's kind of cool. Expect that to last the life of the product. That just snaps on there like that. You turn these 3 little screws and you're ready to go. Now this particular model has a pedal release here, and then there's a carpet height adjustment. So I do believe this is the only cordless machine on the market that I'm aware of that has a carpet height adjustment. So that's kind of cool. You also have an indicator light right here. This indicates whether or not the brush is spinning. It does have an automatic turn off if you get something stuck in there like a shoe or something like that, and it will shut off in the upright position. So as far as maneuverability and usability go with this machine, there's no swivel neck on this, but it maneuvers. You can see that just maneuvers very easy. It's very easy to push. This reminds me, I hate to compare it to another brand, but this reminds me of the lightweight of something like an XL21 or something like that. It's really nice, really just quick. You can whip it around, and it's really powerful. You can tell it's deep cleaning, grooming the carpet. Now the machine will also lie flat, of course, being a Lindhaus. In terms of what's going on here, there's a couple things with the buttons. You can adjust the power control in a brush roller shut off right here, and then our on and off is right there. And you can see the circuit board through there, which I think is kind of a cool touch to see that technology in there. All right, if you haven't guessed it from now, if you've been following the channel, and if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe and thumbs up button right now. That helps us out a whole lot. We have our usual pickup mess of breakfast cereal, flour, cat litter, and fresh dog hair. Let's see how the Lindhaus does, and I'll be running a point of view camera as well. I'm gonna go see if there's anything on the floor, but I think the results kind of speak for themselves. All right, there's nothing left. It cleaned the carpet amazingly well for a cordless machine. Of course, it's from Lindhaus, so I expect nothing less, but it's still pretty impressive to see a cordless machine clean like that. That's better than any of the cordless uprights I've tested so far. Really good battery life, 45 minutes to an hour. It's really, really good. And of course, those batteries are interchangeable with an existing battery, which I really, really like as well on there. Now, if you're really were paying attention here to detail, you'll notice there's this thing here. They are going to eventually make a corded version, and they've already molded the cord hook in there, so that's kind of cool as well. So we can expect to see that in the future. Well, as always, thanks for watching. Thanks for joining us at VDTA 2020. Please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, for more content to come from VDTA 2020.